place look familiar, Bobby? Kind of on March. Little off-road section right there. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Both shoes gone. No! My scooter. How is it still running? It's alright, little buddy. You're alright. No. No. It was bound to happen. Unreal. Oh my god. Oh shit. Back on the road. Fuck. Everything straight? Everything feel alright? Running feels a little weird. We're on with it. Jesus Christ, that was slipping.